G'day guys, Jesse James here, plumber from Down Under. Now we're here in New Zealand, about to have an epic day out on the water. This boat is all about smooth surfaces, premium components and sleek design. It's all bloody beautiful. That's why the Aquor Adventure range fits so well, and it's an absolute breeze to install. Look, this one's over 15 years old, stainless steel and durable. Because when you've got a boat like this, the last thing you need is to ruin it with ugly stuff like this. This leaky old thing. It's just a trip hazard. Oh, whoa, diabolical. And all this space hogging, useless, rubbish, look at that. Cut out the mess, dodgy designs and water leak with the Aquor Adventure range. Phew. And just like that, a nice red cray and some power for dinner. This hydrant is made of durable stainless steel. It's rust proof and rendered to any flat surface. It's absolutely mint. And with one easy twist, it's on. You can use it for whatever you're doing, wherever you're doing it. We're away, yeah. That's it, first fish on the dock. That is a perfect size panny. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. With this neat 15-foot coil hose, I've got quite the range from this one hydrant. Good to get that salt water off the rod and reel. Easy and powerful, it's a beautiful thing. And with one easy twist, it's off. That's Aquor. It's been a busy day, time for a swim. Woo! I think the coolest thing about this Aquor Adventure range is the Aquor mixing valve. But again, in it goes with a simple twist, and I've got a hot shower before dinner. Absolutely stunning. It's efficient, sleek, and easy to use, and it takes up no space at all. Tidy as. So the way I see it, life is what you make it. So make it easy and lasting with Aquor. Here you go, guys.
Amazing.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
It's a beautiful thing.